clutch, but this palette did not come in clutch for me because I just don't like the color family of this palette.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Boxy Charm September box unboxing try-on demo video. I told you guys that I was going to wait for this month to determine if I liked Boxy Charm, if I was going to keep it or not. There is a lot of like drama llama going on with Boxy Charm with something they did for the Boxy Luxe, which I did want the Boxy Luxe and I was like signed up for it, but I mean I guess I didn't. I wasn't able, there wasn't enough for me. I did sign up for the one for December, so hopefully I can get that one. But I was excited to receive the one for September, the regular Boxy Charm. Now let's dive right in because I think I'm a little iffy on this box, just a little. Like I do like a lot of the products, but I would say I'm a little iffy. And let's go down the lane so that I can let you guys know if the ifs, ands, or buts. So it comes with a little pamphlet, which gives you like 20% off, no, 30% off of Laura Geller using the code of Boxy, and then that's it, I think. But in the inside, it just has all the info about the palette, the products, the price, and it says wildflower, so I'm guessing that's like the theme. I love the color of the inside of this paper, which is like that olive mossy green. Really, really pretty. Is this Luscious Cosmetics, which I've never heard of, Angel Eyes Primer, and this is what the little packaging looks like. This retails for $14. Now, this had me a little shook, or a lot shook, because it works really, really, really good. You guys know I don't use primer anymore on my eyes because the primer potion from Urban Decay stopped working, and I just use concealer and I find that that works great for me. But this one, it's like, it has a color. There you go. When you blend it out, it just blends out to a beautiful like nude base, and I really like that because if you have like very pigmented eyelids, or your eyelids are very veiny, or you know you have very dark under eyes and like your lids are also dark, just if you have a lot of pigment on your eyelids, or you just want a really good base, this one's really, really good. I've been using it and I've been loving it. I really want to try it to do a cut crease because I feel like it would work really, really good. Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $35. $35. Now, I have tried this brand before. I have tried one of their blushes, which is this one right here. And I actually love this blush. It's like one of my favorites. So I was pretty excited to get this palette until I saw the inside.
It's a beautiful palette.
It's a beautiful palette, guys. But if you know me, if you've been here forever, or you've just been here for like the past 3 videos, you guys know that I'm a lover, like a true lover of warm tone eyeshadows. That is literally all I own, all I have in my 2 eyeshadow palette drawers is warm eyeshadows. I am not a fan at all of cool eyeshadow tones, colors. I mean, the look I did today, I like it. I mean, I don't love it. It's like very gray to me. I'm getting more Tisha vibes from the eyes and the lips. But, I mean, overall, the palette does work really good. It performed beautifully. It blended beautifully. The eyeshadows are... And I'm probably going to give it to my mom so that she can get use out of it, which she probably will. Next, they have this little trio of brushes, and it's the Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set, and it retails for, what is it? $18. I personally really like these. I'm super impressed with these brushes. This fluffy brush like did the whole job. I only use these 3 brushes for this whole look, and the only other brush I used was for the eyeshadow primer. I just had to blend it out with a different brush. But this one, I used it for my lower lash line. It's too small for my liking, but it's going to be a perfect match to clean up my eyebrows. Like perfect. Let me show you guys the one I'm using now, which I don't know where it's at. It's right here. It's the Morphe M432. That's like my favorite brush to clean up my eyebrows with concealer. And this one's like just a little bit thinner, so I'm so excited to use it for that. This one, I liked it to apply like the shimmery shade on my lid, but I also am really intrigued to use it with concealer to cut the crease, because I feel like it's just so dainty and small and perfect, and it's not flimsy, but it's also not super stiff, so I feel like it's just gonna be perfect. I pretty much love this set, and I'm going to continue to use it. Next we have the Laura Geller blush. Now I haven't been on BoxyCharm like subscribed for a long time. This is my 2nd month, and I know a lot of people were like complaining that they were gonna give this blush. I was freaking excited. I was like, yes girl. I'm a lover of baked blushes. That's like my favorite formula of blushes, and this one retails for $28. It's a baked blush and brighten, and it's in the color, what's the color? Tropic Hues. I love it already. I mean, I tried it out today and está muy bonito. I love the color of it and the formulation. I'm a big fan of baked blushes. So girl, I was happy with this blush. I personally was really happy. Is the lip product. I like the color that I'm wearing. Like it's beautiful. It's a beautiful dark color. I like it. It's the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color, which this is the packaging right here. I have the color Aubergine?
Aubergine. I think that's how you say it, I hope.
But it's like a lip crayon. And you will see in the demo that there was a little bit of issues because I haven't used like a regular lipstick in ages, let alone a lipstick like this. Now, I specifically filled out all my information, and I only put that I wanted liquid lipsticks. This month there was, I think, a variation of liquid lipsticks, and I got this, which is why I was a little salty. You know, your girl was salty, I'm not gonna lie, because I seen all the beautiful liquid lipsticks people were getting, and I was like, that's what I put in my info. Why did you send me this? But I get it, it's matte, so maybe someone got confused, or they're just like, you know, let's give her this matte lipstick that she's not gonna like. I love the color, I just don't like this. I don't like that. I don't like a not transfer proof lipstick. My matte liquid lipsticks that I love and always use, like, that does not happen because I don't like that. I mean, it is what it is. It retails for $19. I have seen these plenty of times in like Kohl's, which is where I always see the Lorac products. Some people were getting Lorac liquid lipsticks and this other brand, Henry and something, which looked beautiful, which I wish I would have got a liquid lipstick myself, but it is what it is. This is the only product that I was pretty bummed out about, just because I feel like they weren't paying attention to my preferences, and like, why do those questions if you're just gonna like skip the part about like me wanting liquid lipsticks. Okay, moving on. Overall, I would say I'm 75% satisfied with this box, and I do want to keep my subscription for the next month, and I already got like an email that I'm on the wait list, or like I'm for sure getting one of those Boxy Looks boxes, so I'm excited for that. But that's until December. But I mean, like, it's almost Halloween and then it's Christmas, so we're almost at December. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought about this box. If you are subscribed to BoxyCharm and you got this month's box, let me know what you thought. Did you like it? Were you satisfied? Unsatisfied? You know, do you feel like they're paying attention to your little thing that you filled out on what you would like to receive and the products that you like and stuff like that? Because I kind of feel like they're like, like
someone's just side-eyeing my list. I'm just being petty now, but that's okay.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.